Wondering how thick your garage door should be? The thickness of a garage door plays a crucial role in its performance, from insulation to security. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about garage door thickness. Garage doors come in different thicknesses, typically ranging from single-layer to triple-layer constructions. A thicker garage door offers more benefits, such as better insulation, increased durability, and enhanced security. Single-layer garage doors are usually around 1 3/8 inches thick. They provide basic protection and are cost-effective, but offer minimal insulation. They're a great option if you live in mild climates or don't use your garage frequently. Double-layer garage doors add insulation between two layers of material, usually steel or aluminum. This not only increases energy efficiency, but also strengthens the door, making it more durable and resistant to dents. For the ultimate in insulation and security, triple-layer garage doors are the way to go. With a thick, multi-layer design, they keep your garage comfortable year-round while protecting your home from harsh weather. So, what are the benefits of a thicker garage door? Better insulation helps lower your energy bills, they last longer, and they're much more secure. Whether you're looking for comfort, durability, or protection, thickness matters. Understanding how thick garage doors are can help you choose the right one for your home. For more tips on garage doors, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.